Hello everybody, this is Lara from Pure Elliott Wave with a very quick update for you for Bitcoin and XRP today. Bitcoin moved lower yesterday. It's completed a bearish engulfing pattern, but it's a really small range body. It does engulf the range of the previous candlestick, but it's not very particularly strong and it doesn't have push from volume. So I expect we might be having just a little pause along the way up within this upward swing. I expect overall price to continue higher to find resistance 71,500 to 73,100. And as I've said before, don't expect it to move in a straight line. Upward swing here, choppy and overlapping. This upward swing, very choppy and overlapping. This downward swing mostly in a straight line, but bit of a bounce here before it overshot support, and our price is moving higher within the rectangle. So upward movement to 73,100. If we see a close above 73,100 to filter out a potential false upward breakout, I want to then see 2 or 3 days up and away above that area before I have confidence that there's an upward breakout and the next bullish run is underway. For the short term, volume has been pushing price higher. Now the last completed red daily candlestick has weaker volume, so volume not pushing price lower. At this stage so far, this looks like a pullback within an ongoing upward swing. ADX is declining, there's no clear trend. With no clear trend, the model of stochastics plus support and resistance would expect stochastics is reaching overbought, but price is not at resistance. So I'd expect price to continue higher to properly reach resistance before the upward swing may end. At the daily time frame, this is the main Elliott Wave count for XRP. I'll cover my monthly and weekly charts tomorrow, and that'll go over targets, but I did cover it last week. If you look back at the last time I went over the bigger picture for XRP, you'll find my targets and my reasoning and how I calculated those. For the short term for XRP, I expect a 5-step forward pattern is complete now because a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern looks like it's probably going to complete for July 18. That's a reversal pattern telling us that this upward movement may be over and the next trend, either sideways or more likely downward for a pullback, is probably in its early stages. I'll look for support at the log function of the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio, which is 0.4659. That would expect price to break back down below 55 cents. It's pretty close to that now. If price can close back below 55 cents, then yes, I'll expect support at 0.4659. Minute wave 2 may not move beyond the start of 1 below 0.3838. I do not expect a new low below that point. Here's the bearish engulfing pattern. It's falling a little bit short of resistance at 0.675, and that's okay. I'll expect if we do close back below 0.60 that this area will again provide resistance. If we close for the current session below 60, I'll change that from support to resistance. Look out for support initially at 54.55 cents. If price closes below that again, then look for support about 0.46. Volume was pushing price higher. There's quite a lot of strength in that upward movement up off the last low for XRP. ADX is telling us there's still an upward trend, but there's a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern suggesting a trend change, and RSI is reasonably overbought, suggesting we may get a little pullback or consolidation for the short term to relieve short-term extreme conditions. That's it from me today with a quick update for you. I hope you're all having a lovely day.